We are having issues about the audio quality of our live stream services at church. To start with, our church has a lot of echo and reverb, which is hard to deal with when you record live. We have been searching for affordable solutions to solve it. We found out that having an audio interface helps in making sound in live streams better. We've searched around the internet and found out that the Behringer makes an affordable and great audio interface. We were excited to try it out and make our audio setup better for the glory of God. With group effort and sharing of resources, we finally ordered and purchased the audio interface. I am unboxing it and I am very excited to use it for the improvement of sound in our church live streams. This is the Euphoria UMC204HD audio interface by Behringer. According to the reviews that we have read and searched over the internet, it has nice preamps. Preamps are important for your audio because it makes the signal from your audio source to reach a healthy level which can be heard or used by your devices. It amplifies the signal so that it can be heard clearly and most importantly with low noise. The UMC204HD has Midas preamps which has low noise and produces desirable audio quality. We will be connecting it to our mixer and feeding the signal to our computer. This will be the setup that we will be using for our church live stream. The controls and connections can be identified easily because the labels are easy to see. The knobs feels good in your hand and are easy to adjust. There is also a way for you to monitor live audio without any delays. It is one of the features of the Behringer UMC204HD audio interface that we like and is very useful. In addition to the audio interface, we purchased an affordable monitoring headphone from Samson. This will be useful when we are mixing and adjusting audio levels from our soundboard. Thank God for the generous and concerned people who helped in making this possible. God bless you more and more, and to God be the glory. For those of you who are experiencing the same problem that we have in our live stream, we recommend that you search and give this one a try.
Awesome. Stereo.
It will improve and solve your audio problems. Thank you for watching and God bless. See you in our next video.